Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Yoga for Beginners, PLR, which launched on the 12th of May at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this private label rights product, obviously in an evergreen niche, a yoga video course of 14 high quality videos with transcriptions, audios and a full sales system included so that you can sell it on. If this sounds like it's something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'm also going to be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together to go with your copy of Yoga for Beginners. There are 5 of them, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer counts down to 0, at which point they will expire. And I wouldn't want that to happen because, as the name suggests, they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of Yoga for Beginners, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, return to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more valuable to help you succeed with this PLR product than what anyone else is offering. So, what is Yoga for Beginners? A private label rights release from Sorin Constantin. Finally yours, a high quality evergreen yoga video course that you can use and sell as your own starting today. With obviously private label rights, and apologies for those that know exactly what they are, but for the benefit of people that don't, private label rights means that you can do almost anything with this product except selling the PLR on again. So that means that you can claim authorship of this course and put it out with your own name as the author. You can sell it obviously as it is using the sales materials and keep 100% of the profits, or you completely rebrand it, give it a different name entirely, change the cover, change some of the inside contents, rebrand it in any way that you want, in fact, and then sell it on. You could also use it as a series of articles on a blog if you wanted to start a new blog in the health niche, or even, specifically in the yoga niche. You could certainly do that. You could use it as a series of emails to engage with your list. You could give it away as a very powerful lead magnet to attract new subscribers onto your list. Or you could give it away as a bonus with a product. Obviously, I'm giving bonuses away with this product. You could give this away with a related product. Or you could use it as the basis of forming a brand new product from scratch. And most of those areas will be covered off in my custom bonuses. So tap into one of the most profitable health and self-development niches, get a done-for-you online business that has a hot market of hungry buyers, repurpose the videos for content generation, sell it as your own high-quality standalone product. It includes a sales system with professionally designed sales and delivery pages and a premium quality video course proven to sell. So we'll come back to the sales page in a moment, but what are you going to get if you decide to pick this up from me? That will be this video here that you're looking at. Click on the link immediately underneath this review video. That will bring you over to this page. You can watch a sample here of the quality of the video. So it's one of the lessons. Get you nice and chilled watching that, folks. Nice for a Sunday. I'm recording this on a Sunday, by the way. It's actually Mothering Sunday. It's Mother's Day. So if you're watching this later than that, that's why we're a bit chilled today. Okay, if you get Yoga for Beginners now, you'll get all the bonuses below. Firstly, my masterclass on how to make money with PLR products. Obviously, I gave you a very short overview of what you can do with private label rights products. This hour-and-a-half masterclass goes in much greater detail, obviously, and tells you exactly what you can and can't do, and the normal pitfalls, the normal mistakes people make in what can be an extremely lucrative market if you know what you're doing. Secondly, I said that another thing that you could do with this product is to give it away as a powerful lead magnet to attract a load of new subscribers to your list. Well, to do that, obviously you would need to have a squeeze page, which isn't included with the product. So in this video from John O. Armstrong, super affiliate, one of my mentors, he shows you how to make an unlimited number of high quality squeeze pages for a one-off cost of $5. That's not per lead page, that is $5 for an unlimited number. So it's a very good hack. The third thing I said you could do, obviously, is build your list. So here is a list building masterclass, again, over an hour of content on building a list from scratch. So you can get cracking and hopefully improve your list building success after watching this masterclass. The other thing that I told you could do with that, you could create a blog in a health niche or a wellness niche or even a specific yoga niche. Well, to help you on your way, there's this Ultimate Blog Masterclass. Again, an hour of content, and it's a 2019 class bringing you up to date with what's working in blogging right now and why some people are still earning six figures in blogs, despite what people will tell you, that they're a waste of time. They're absolutely not. And it's something that you should really be doing every day. I fill in mine a lot less than I should, I have to say, but I always manage a couple of posts a month. You should do much more than that, of course. And finally, The Profit Factory, this course by Samuel Chima, which shows you, I said that another thing you could do was create a completely new product from scratch. And in this course, Samuel Chima walks you through the mechanics of creating a product from scratch, dealing with the idea right through to fruition and delivery. It may be doing the course, you'll have a brainwave and decide to come up with a completely different product entirely. But of course, one thing you could do is to rebrand this yoga course and use that as your product. So I hope you can see there, folks, that there's absolutely loads of value, hundreds of dollars worth of value, in fact, in these bonuses. And to get them, all you need to do is click on these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0. So let's go back to the sales page. Why grab this? Today, obviously, high quality yoga video course to sell under your own name, full sales system, evergreen niche, add to a membership site, sell unlimited copies for life, save time and money. I'm not going to go through all of the sales page because obviously you can do that yourself. You know how expensive obviously it would be to create all of this content yourself. Here we are, just with the main points, full PLR included. Why waste time looking all over the web for just the right freelancer to create your video course? Get instant access to one here. That's that sample video again. Just a recap of what you can do. Options other than this. Bonuses. These are the vendors' bonuses. Bear in mind these are likely to be just the bonuses that other people are offering and nothing else. A beginner's guide to yoga, again with PLR. Now you could use this as your lead magnet to attract people to the main product if you're selling it. Bonus 2 is a yoga video site builder, so that is pretty good. PLR again on that one, and keeping spirituality again with PLR. So all of these would make great lead magnets to lead into selling them the main course. So there's another one, Growth Commander, free private training, how to make 100k a year with free targeted traffic. There you go. So that's pretty decent bonuses from the vendor, I think. So this is what you'll get. Obviously your 14 videos, your full sales system, and the front end price is going to be down here in a second, I think. There it is, $17.95. All right, one-off cost $17.95. So I think one thing I always say, it's great if these PLR courses include the videos on the front end, because what normally happens is that you buy the book version in the front end, which is normally like say $10, yeah, and then you normally have to buy the videos in the first upsell, which is normally another $27. So you're going to end up paying sort of $37 if you want the video version. Well, with Sorin, they've included them in the first one, so $17.95 is a pretty good deal. let's have a quick look at the upsells. Now, I can't tell you what they are. I can't tell you what the prices are, so sorry about this. I know that the first upsell is 37. That is going to be the pro version, so just look and see what's included. It's probably, higher quality marketing materials and all stuff like that. The second upsell is 37. The final upsell is 147, which I'm guessing includes some sort of done-for-you solution, but you'll have to have a look at it. I would say with the first and second upsells, there's a downsell for 27. Now, what I suspect that is, but as I said, I can't confirm this until you see the sales pages yourself. Normally, that would be the same as the first upsell with the bonuses removed. So if you can live without the bonuses, turn that down and you get offered it again for 27, and the same with the second upsell. So that is what I'm guessing, but as I said, apologies for not having full details of the funnel on this one. All right, so that is pretty much it. As I said, if you want all of these extra bonuses here and lock in all of this extra value, then all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons, come through to the sales page, click on add to cart, and then after you've purchased, you'll come back into the Warriors Plus members area. It's just my bald head, excuse that. Click on the green button to pick up your copy of Yoga for Beginners, and then click on the blue button to access all of my custom bonuses. And I hope that with those bonuses you will indeed pick it up from the link underneath this review video. So that is it, folks. It's a good one. We'll give it 4 out of 5 on our Elite Tigers Group rating. Good evergreen niche, great product, popular. So can't go wrong, really. And with that, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Yoga for Beginners PLR.